Hello everyone, I'm Fang. Welcome to Ningo Xuli. Xuli is a professional manufacturer, special making the cargo tie down for more than 30 years. Today, we are going to have a look at our Xuli Patent Products rocker manual strap tie down. Later, we will show you how to operate it. Thank you. Attach the adjust end and pull out the strap, then connect the fixed end. Recheck the extra strap by rotating the built-in rocker. Shake your handles to recheck until you feel it tight. Press your finger on the handle. Rotate the wheel in anti-clockwise direction to lock the webbing. You will see the webbing in the housing won't be loose. Now you can see our strap is very tight. Pull the red button and fully open the handle to release the ratchet. And how to deal with this loose webbing, we will show it to you slowly. Take out the rocker. Rotate it quickly to recheck the webbing into the housing. Perfect. Put the rocker back. Rotate the wheel in anti-clockwise direction as before to lock the webbing. Very easy to operate. Thank you for watching.